to Teaching with Julia. I am your host, Julia Blythe, and here to show you today how to create a blended learning magnifique. You will need to assemble the following ingredients. First, select a prime specimen of teacher. Remember, only the finest will do. Do not try to substitute this with any other type of teacher, but only one suited for the task at hand. Be it English teacher, chemistry teacher, algebra teacher. Remember, no fudging. Next, select a variety of curriculum specimens. There should be a vast selection of choices in presentations, videos, online tools, learning games, libraries, databases. And don't forget the creative applications and programs that allow your customers to savor your dishes in new and exciting ways. Finally, provide your clients with an atmosphere that is pleasing to the eye, open to the senses, and safe to explore in. Within this beautiful location, students may have access to current and working computers, laptops, tablets, and other electronic tools that let them explore, create, and produce in their own unique ways. Now these ingredients must be carefully combined, or the blended learning magnifique may be magnifique, but certainly not blended. And now to the preparation. Take your fine specimen of teacher and train that teacher the latest educational technology, learning management systems, and blended education pedagogy. Once the teacher has been properly seasoned, allow that teacher to create lessons that address the state standards, but also provide a variety of learning modalities using the technology at hand. The teacher must be both willing and able to assist students one-on-one, as well as analyze data immediately to restructure curriculum or differentiate instruction as needed. Next, the teacher must be able to show students how to navigate the lessons both in the classroom and independently, using the instructional tools at hand. The teacher must be able to encourage students to be willing to fail and to try again, to develop the habits of mind that will allow that student to develop his or her own path in the curriculum, gently guiding and instructing at the student's pace. Finally, the teacher must also be able to season the student's path with full classroom instruction that engages all students to work together, discuss, and solve problems. This participation is correctly timed and structured to bring the class together in one universal focus that still addresses each at their own level. Blended classroom magnifique is the most delicious and satisfying method of learning. But in order for it to come together, it must contain all of the ingredients and steps above in a well-balanced diet. Too much of one or not enough of another can lead to other nourishing forms of learning, but not to the extent of the melange of blended learning. So I hope you enjoy the process of preparing and serving the blended classroom magnifique. Bon appetit!